Hey everybody, this is Keith Hirsch from Yamaha. I want to show you a really cool program called Synth Robot. It's free for Montage owners, and it's really cool. What it allows you to do is basically take any external instrument, MIDI enabled or not. MIDI is preferable because it automatically samples, and actually makes a complete instrument for Montage that you can load right into the instrument and play it right back. So we brought today a TG33 from the 90s, which is kind of a really cool old synth, and we're going to use that to trigger from Sample Robot, and we're going to record a patch on the TG33. This is kind of what it sounds like now. So that's just the TG33. So I'm going to switch my MIDI here, and then in Sample Robot, we just start the Project Wizard, if you can see here. So we're going to do automatic recording of the MIDI instruments. I'm going to call it My Project 4. And I choose the Montage because the audio output from the TG3 is coming into the Montage input right here on the 80 input. We'll say 44.1 16-bit is fine. And then the Montage port 3 is the physical port that's going to trigger the TG33 through the old style MIDI DIN. MIDI channel 1. Let's do 37 keys just to make it short. Velocity layers, you can do multiple velocity layers. And we're going to do every 6 key step just to show you how it works. This is the length that it samples, and I'm going to auto loop it. And we're ready to go. So I hit start recording. And what you're hearing here is each note, it's triggering the TG33, and its output is coming into the Montage, into the computer, and recording it right now. You can kind of see down here that it's going up to the next sample, and it's going to grab that one. So 2 more. There, it's done. So all I do is save it, and in Sample Robot now, all you do is export it as either a Montage user file or a Montage library file, depending on how you want to load it in. Once you save that to your desktop on Windows or Mac, you take that one file, put it on a USB stick, like this, from your computer, put it in the back of the Montage, and then load it through the utility and bring it right in, and you can actually play it. And that's Sample Robot for Montage. Okay, so I put the file that I just talked about on the USB stick, took the USB stick out of the computer, put it into the back of the Montage, and now we actually load that sound in. So I go to Utility, Contents, I choose My Project 4, that's what I called it, and it loads it in. There we go. So now I can go and grab it, My Project 4. There it is right there. And there it is, polyphonically, the TG33 playing back. There it is. So if you needed a sound that the Montage doesn't have, or something special that you've created on another synthesizer, you can bring it right in, and there it is. To get Sample Robot, if you go to YamahaMusicSoft.com, there's a link there that you can get Sample Robot. Or go to YamahaSynth.com, and it'll tell you where to go and get Sample Robot. It's free for Montage users, and it's available now.